How you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today I just installed the spring twist. This is going to be a time-lapse tune-in Thursday. I post every Tuesday and Thursday if you didn't know. Tune in Thursday to see exactly how I install these step by step. All materials will be linked down below. I only used one pack of braiding hair and this is a total of 54 spring twists if anybody wants to know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. All right, enjoy it.